What is happening, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be looking at Ring Financial. Now, Ring Financial is a passive yield protocol that's actually designed to help keep your guys' risk minimized with all these new protocols and DAOs that are in place, all these risky APY percentages and all that. This is kind of bringing everything together, and it's going to offer you a sort of managed attempt to be able to generate some form of passive income monthly. So this one I just came across and started building my own gold node on it. Now if we're looking at it, 2,600% APY. It's actually pretty simple. It seems pretty damn valid. I'm actually super excited for it. This is one of the passive investments I currently have. The other ones that I have would be HNT mining, and then the rest is all staking through all my fiat that I am holding on crypto. Now, the way that Ring works is essentially you have 10 tokens. I believe you need about 12 tokens now for a gold node, but you do have options on the actual nodes. You can go for a bronze node, a silver node, and a gold one. Now, with these nodes, you're going to be generating income through them. So here we are. You can have a maximum of 100 nodes, and each node is going to earn you, on the gold ones, it's going to earn you about 0.55 of a token per day. Now the current token price as of this recording is sitting at about $49 US, which is a huge drop from when it was at about 350. That's why I decided to jump in right now while the price is at this point. So now in order for you to be able to actually purchase this, you're going to have to use MetaMask, and you're going to have to convert your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. It's actually a very simple process to do. If you guys want to take a peek at it, I will post it up here very quick. Let's take a quick look. It should be on this one. Bingo. So in order to connect it, you just have to go into your MetaMask, you go into your settings. Right here is the entire way to do it. It's pretty simple. You're just going to add the mainnet, so you're going to add the network name. You're going to add the URL. You don't necessarily need the chain ID or the symbol. The Block Explorer URL, pretty straightforward. It's very simple to do. Let's take a look over here. We're going to go over to my Ring nodes. Now here's mine that's currently active. So I just started this one. As you can see, the type is gold. If you guys do want to create a node, here are, oh, you have to connect your wallet. But anyways, you connect your MetaMask wallet to it, and you can create new nodes. So if we're looking at the nodes, you can see a bronze node, you only need 1.2 rings, and that's going to give you 2,000% annually. Now you earn about $2.19 a day on it. Silver, you're going to be earning about $12 a day, and then gold, you're going to be earning about $29 a day as it's currently standing. Now the nice thing is the way that they're doing their distribution on the tokens. As you can see, they take 20% for the future use, they take 10% for the pool rewards, and then 70% goes into the actual node rewards pool. Now it's a very nice feature that they have. The whole idea that I have with this is to actually take the gold nodes and to be able to create even more nodes and more nodes and more nodes. Now once I get up to 5, 6, 7 nodes, that's when I'm going to be looking at kind of sitting back and figuring out, are we going to start taking some profit? Are we going to continue generating more nodes? Do we find stability within the actual price and fluctuation of the market as it stands? But as far as I can see it, this project does hold validity. I do like what they are doing with it, and I will keep you guys updated on what we're going to be doing next.